you go wake up with smile for your face, like me, or you go wake up with vex for your face. So it's all up to you to decide. But for talk ladies, they tell you, say, always start your day with smile and happiness. Because if you curse your day, now waiting you talk from your mouth, now it go happen. But if you bless your day, definitely, your day, good day, very, very wonderful. On this note, we go like wish Titi Layo Amakulo, happy birthday to you. My darling, 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 our darling, darling sister. Yes, from the blog called TV, 3 p.m. I can't go reach 4 p.m. Try watch them today because I sure say they love her. Yes, they love her just like they love ourselves. Yes. And we got to like with Sheyi. Sheyi is blessed amongst women.
Oh, yes.
Sheyi is a wonderful, talented man.
Yes.
He knows how to do a lot of things.
Yes.
A lot of things.
Yes.
Sheyi, if he film you like this, you were fair, beautiful. He go turn you to one old woman.
No, I don't like that definition. Why you not say if Shay won't film you when he camera you like this, you were beautiful like this, all of a sudden you'll be like Beyonce.
Not be all cameramen get the kind of expertise to change a beautiful young woman to an old woman.
We know.
So for that, Shay, no, you had. Shay, happy birthday to you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Shay.
Yes, happy birthday to you. And we also love you, Titi Layo Amakulo, our Biafra.
Amakulo.
Biafra.
Titi, my issue. My issue.
I should just come make up this morning. And they just see at the corridor, just say headache.
Headache.
Come.
I remember one time when Titi just started work for this. Oh, testimony time. When Titi just started work for, Titi may thought say, I want to meet some kind people in my life. I want to meet some kind. If Titi they actually watch us, that she can understand what I mean. And then you get one particular person who call the advice or say, you need to go register in the club. And everything.
You miss them.
Titi, you know, right? I love you.
Okay, finally,
wonderful.
If I hear that,
Titi go look for club to register so she go meet influential people. Titi not see.
She register herself.
Titi say, I've gone everywhere. I can't see anything.
But Titi still on still. Don't mind this, my beautiful ladies there. We still love you. I love you. You know I love you.
Why did they campaign for the love for Titi now? I don't understand.
Because I love Titi.
One thing when you don't understand, we say, if Titi not love you, she go tell you. So don't
straight up.
Yes.
So, not fake and come where she did. She go tell you, I don't like you. Straight. Deal with her.
Yeah. But I'm really happy to say I don't come back. Yes. Because
we welcome back.
I'm happy to say I don't
come
back.
For your face.
We muse you.
I muse you. Guys.
Just say your tongue.
All right, my name is Remember we Ehigamu said today go sweet well. We get 2 kajad guests. We go enter our studio today. You know, say Mondays now, always our motivational Mondays. So we go get 2 confirmed people. We go inspirational you today on top of our motivational Monday. We get Waiting Day Hot, we get Cocoa of the Day, and we also get better manners, we get motivational quotes, better package. Now we package for you today. But the ladies, then make I give them chance for them to shine. Introduce don't cover themselves one by each.
Oh yes, we don't come back. New week, new month. In the month of March, we is a marching forward. Yes, we the talk ladies, but they try telling us, say, inside this month of March, on 3 months on the waka come out for inside 2015, and you need to know, say, all the opportunities for you to do better thing with your life, we still get like 9 more months. Abi? Yes, 9 more months join for inside this year to do better things with your life. My name is to remain Betyana Unwili.
Yes, so my name is Amaka Queen B, and I hope so all of you enjoy now. Weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, you get one more person who will know wish happy birthday. Elenu, you're picking clock how many years? Sorry, no best. Yeah.
Elenu, you know waiting for that note. Now you cause trouble. For that note, Elenu, you gonna need to bring my own fried rice and chicken. Yes, because I not chop fried rice and chicken.
We not chop fried rice and chicken.
Sister me.
We not chop fried rice and we not go late. When we go party
I bet you don't cover yourself, no problem.
All right, so my people, now they're my own name still remain Queen B. Yes, so the biggest of them all. I tell you, this one, a new month, the month of March, like Betyana talk, we are marching to permanent sites.
Campground.
Yes, a campground. If you're not still there for a site, that means say hope still there, and never give up on yourself, because the price tag where you name for yourself, now they go take prices. So package will make you know for loss.
All right, on that note, where you need to package well, packaging is very important. After packaging comes rebranding, so
Yes,
you need
sir.
to rebrand yourself well. From there, make we enter within the hot straight to the matter now. Our first story for today, this one is something we know say we don't hear all the time. We don't hear them. But this one they different because it gets its own different dimension when you carry. Now, one woman don't come outside defend her decision to send $1.4 million to her online lover wey dey for inside Africa, where she never meets. Now, this woman, they say she don't divorce 2 times. Her name is Sarah. She meets Chris Otlin online 18 months ago. Though this man, she never see the man, but the man don't change accent. He don't change the way they talk like 3 different times. He don't change them. And they ask this woman for money. May she send the money, can't give them for different countries. But irrespective of the fact, say, the man, they always ask her, may she bring money. She says she's ready to send him $1.4 million because she believes, according to her, say, she actually loves the man. But you know what, just watch this video because the video will convince you or either confuse you whether this woman is okay or she not okay. I tell you.
2 marriages, I still believe in love. So I joined an online dating service. An attractive person came on there and said, "You look like you wouldn't hurt a fly." I said, "Wow, this guy's really handsome. I can't believe he's talking to me." He told me early on that he was a widower and that he had 2 daughters and he was on a business trip to South Africa. He and I started talking on the phone relatively quickly. Gosh, I'd say 3 or 4 hours a day. His name is Christopher Piolo Olsen. He's from Milan, Italy, and moved to the United States about 18 years ago. Chris has a way with words. He'll say, "How is my queen doing today?" Or he'll say, "How is my flower today? I hope she's been watered." He's very poetic when he talks to me. He's just spectacular. Chris and I have discussed getting married. I believe Chris does consider me his wife. Chris will make a comment like, "Mrs. Olsen, I love you and I can't wait to be with you again." I've actually never met Chris in person, but I am definitely in love with Chris.
So who exactly is this mystery man?
All right, so that's now the interview where she do with Dr. Phil, where she come outside talk, say, yes, she knows that she don't send like $1.4 million, go give the man. She's ready to even spend more. Because she say even last June, that one last year, she sent them $550,000. Because according to the man, they put her for inside prison. That's now why in of it travel, go Obodo Yibo, America, go see her. Ladies, what do you think about this woman? You feel say everything they okay with her?
Ma tell you, she everything they okay with her. She did all right. Money too many for her hand. She for just go look for one orphanage give because to me, person where they scam her, they around her. No be say the person they far away from her. Now waiting, I think all the person they travel, go the country where they tell her, say post the money, you go there because it's easier for white people to withdraw money because we feel say they get foreign accounts. Because we are boys for here now, our EFCC don't really, at least they don't try. Not be saying no they happen, but they don't try. So far so good, they don't reduce, it not be like before. Then me, online lover, can't send you even recharge card self, I no get to give you. Well, in short, to call you with my own credit, we don't do my own phone, to call you, it is difficult. So I just feel now choice, and now person will be say she feels still give love chance. They don't break her heart like twice, but she feels say no, it never over. This one are people we know they give up on something till they get within, but you must position yourself to get them right. Naim be the only thing. So I wish her all the best, but for me, by name for.
Na person name.
Person name, by name for.
Meanwhile, I want make una know for how say this person we just actually watch na Amaka auntie. Because Amaka na the advocate for love and she don't talk say she don't see love. So even if they use her head a knock wall and as far as say na love, she no mind to they give them all the money. For me, I feel say for me, I feel say I'll know they were with this woman because if you don't send money to a person, in fact, if I did do online dating, which I no go do, but if I decide I want to do online dating tomorrow, I tell you, now me go finish the person money. I tell you, by the time I sick today, tomorrow I no get clothes to wear, next tomorrow I no get ready to chop. She beat the man say, DJ, Now why you no get money to fly? Me, I go there inside cave. I'll say they kidnap me. Oh. In fact, I go organize plenty things herself. As she says she dey in love. But for me, I feel say even if you dey in love, you need to open your eye. I've gone at the days when they talk say love is blind. Forget that thing. When you dey enter the love relationship, you dey enter with your eyes wide open because nowadays love, you know they blind. With this kind of things where we they see every day. Waiting they happen. Love. Talk. I know say you want to talk. Talk.
Why you don't tell me?
Oh, yeah, talk
when I
now.
don't tell you, because I dey talk of love. No confuse love. You know, they like to confuse love.
So
no,
wait,
they like
they
to
said the man
confuse
no
your
dey
love.
So you feel this is not love?
This is not love.
How
No
you
be
take
love.
no?
Because
Amaka.
now call me advocate of love. So I myself be love. And I fit tell you now waiting love be but no be here.
Okay.
So I go calm down. You need to see love no be wetin person dey fit really explain. Now feeling. And the
But
way
she not fit explain now.
Hold on.
Okay, let me hold on, please.
the
Ubi.
feeling where she dey get. How you go meet person online? The person from now till tomorrow they give you 1,001 excuses. You don't give you one tangible excuse me. He they get problem with traveling. I get Wi-Fi. No, I be widower. I get 2 children. How many excuses this man won't give until your head go click say okay this man don't love me. You need to take your time. You dey feel love. If person love you, go feel am. Say this person really love you.
But she's feeling it.
She feel nada.
Amaka, I want to say something.
You don't talk your
Make she
you don't
talk.
end. The woman, if I to be the woman, I will correct my senses, switch and well, because no be that kind of thing that they call love.
Amaka, you're very wicked because
I say wicked.
because you don't understand when you don't divorce twice. Man don't treat you anyhow.
Now the main reason, in fact, that one is enough reason to make you position yourself, no waiting that they call love.
And you don't fat full for ground, so you not feel say. Can you please allow me talk? And you don't fat full for ground, and then you can't see one kind fine man online where they send you messages like,
My flower.
"Baby, do you know you are the most beautiful woman on
Fear
earth?"
supposed catch
you don't go feel
Fear
hot
supposed
fly.
catch you.
And you not feel hot fly.
Fear supposed catch you when
Fear
you see
go
am.
catch you.
Yes.
When you are alone, fear go catch you, Amaka.
So many person can carry, can do. Otumopo.
Amaka.
You don't bring all this otumokoti inside the game.
And you are an advocate of love and you do otumokpo. I don't understand you. You are contradicting yourself.
I don't. That's no be love.
I just see
It
my
is
tell
not
you.
love.
Okay, but if you know waiting, when I read this story, I understand. Yeah, I understand. Say the woman needs to shine her eyes very
Thank
well.
you.
Excuse me, I know they support you because
But she needs to challenge.
Say she know this.
I understand. Say,
Amaka, I agree with you
not
today.
every time.
Calm down.
I understand. Say the woman needs to shine her eyes because the man, sorry, the man don't turn you to ATM. But looking at it the other way, if now woman and she they tell the man say make the man bring money, it is okay. But when you don't talk to a man where they always ask for money, then are them problem there. Amaka, you never ask man for money before. What you never see?
No, for me, this woman actually feels say the woman believe say she dey in love. It just be like when
Of course,
boys and girls
now.
they get relationship and
Yeah.
other people around the person they say this guy no love this girl, but the girl go they make up excuses. You understand?
Now, what did she dey do now? Wetin dey talk say she need
not
to
me.
shine her eyes. Say no be love.
It's just like you one day where they give excuses
because
one day.
you did the situation exactly. Now let us open your
No, let us open everything for you because you don't they talk a lot of things about love.
No, man.
But really, I don't know if this
See,
woman
like
will
what
get this
Amaka
one,
talk,
but
she say
she
love
needs to
na
shine her eyes.
feeling. Love na feeling. I understand that part. You know if you explain her with mouth, not be waiting that they take talk. But
That's
that
the
woman,
feeling.
the feeling where that woman gets,
That's what
she just
she's
feels
bringing
say
out.
it is priceless. No, I understand where the woman they come from. I don't they like person where I know say the person don't like me. For me, no. Back of my brain, I know say no like me, but I they like him.
You give her your money.
Before I laugh, I they smile. When they vex, I they happy because I just want to see different part of him. But he no like me. But no be say we dey into relationship. I just that one they call am lost. But the woman no fit explain what she did, and I feel say that woman dey very lonely. So she
That's
just
what
need
I'm
somebody they
saying.
tell her
Yeah.
sweet words. Now waiting she need be that. So
You don't understand when some people get low self-esteem. When you
Yes.
don't feel say, come, what do I have again to offer?
Yeah.
No man, now
Yeah.
only old men feel come my way, and then you see one young man where they send you the kind words where you they dream of.
You go hold
Wait,
on like
listen,
this.
only when you sleep now you they dream of person they tell you you are the most beautiful woman on earth.
Or you dey watch
can't
movie, now you
halt a
dey see
fly.
am.
That kind of thing when you did there,
You
person like
would
Amaka
fall
come
in
tell you say
love.
shine, why you go say ta enemy of progress. You know carry your own waka go.
no, I go talk to prayer points.
I dey tell you.
But another thing why I like
every
sis,
queen bee.
another thing why I like
every
be say,
queen bee.
she come outside talk.
Yeah.
Because if she keep him inside, she not come outside talk. She not go get the kind of advice where Dr. Phil, the advisor, say, come, this man don't turn you to ATM bank. You need to run away. And they need to catch this man and return your money.
But the advisor
first of all, when she see this kind of money,
Why they won't
this
catch-
money plenty, oh. Not be
Most
small
of them
money.
are inheritance.
Yes.
No,
Feed
most of them are
inheritance.
inheritance.
Because again, one way they thought that she had to sell her house.
Yes, some are inheritance.
She
So
had to sell her house to send to the man.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, next story. Now,
Woman carry all our time come out.
but people not just need to shine their eyes on top of this internet of a thing. You need to shine your eyes.
Even face to face.
Yeah, you just need to shine your eyes. Now, this is our next story. We need to bring them down to Nigeria. And it consign Yomi Fash Lanso. Don't say I pronounce that name well.
Yes, you try.
Fash Lanso. Lanso. Now, this man, now Yoruba actor. And this man don't come outside talk some kind things where they either make you as a married man jealous or make you as a married man vex. Waiting come outside talk, I go tell now ladies, I don't say you're here the age. Now this man don't marry since 2004. And he come outside talk for instance, one recent interview where he do with icampusng.com. He come outside talk say, for these 10 years while I don't marry this my wife, I never cheat on her once.
Excuse me, I get cough.
You don't believe this.
They go ask him. They go ask him, say, come on. Okay, you mean say as I'm married, never cheat on her? He say, yes, when they be the date, he cheat on her. But after they marry, say he never cheat on her for the 10 years. People, the interviewer come ask and say, who go believe this your statement? He got to say, I know they talk this one for you to believe me. But for you to know, say, what did they go on for inside my world so that you feel learn for him.
Okay.
He say, I not be sent, but at the same time, there should be decisions about how you want to live your life. He say, you need to get guideline for yourself. I don't want to do something or anything where it go bounce back to my family. So automatically, I did very cautious wherever I go, whoever I mingle with, and where you find me. Of course, I get plenty friends, but at the same time, there should be guidelines. Now, ladies, is it hard to be faithful? As in, we need to give them applause. Say, come outside talking at 10 years, or?
Now, but this may be that. Why
Okay.
they clap?
I join you.
I go give am 4.
Betyana. Betyana, let us
Better
clap for
from
you.
me.
I tell you.
No, I dey clap them because I'll explain my clap, but I
About
won't
the
make you
round
answer
of
me first.
applause.
Okay.
I wish that we get that automated clap.
Clap.
Clap for him.
Now don't do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not finished.
Okay, for me, I actually agree with what you talk.
Okay.
I don't believe say they had to be faithful. Like they always talk on this show. I don't talk on times down number. When you enter a relationship, you won't marry. Now decision you they make. It be like business venture. So when you decide say you want they faithful, not be something where they had, not be rocket science. Now your decision. Anybody will say them cheat, they can't say an accident. You know they do. You know they get accident. Read that point. If you cheat, you know not do the cheating. Maybe you know they get what you want from the person, and you can't decide. Say okay, I think get them outside, and then you make the decision. Say okay, actually I want to do this two paro side by side like this. But when you make up your mind, say okay, actually I don't want this kind of thing. Now like this I want make my life be. Now like this I want make my life follow. It not be rocket science. It's very very easy. It's very easy for you to do. Once you decide, say okay, now this person I want there with you. I reach 90 years. Back on. Nothing hard there for me as far as me I dey concerned.
All right, Betyana, I believe what you talk. I appreciate what you talk.
I don't know if it's
Fash.
clap.
I tell you now, calm down.
We clap
I
for a
want to
reason.
clap again. For him to get the courage, even open him mouth, talk, say, yes, he never do this kind of thing before. For him not to cheat. But this one, for me, na 50-50. If he go green, go for lie detector. Make them check am for me. They go ask him all the questions when they first ask him for the interview exactly. And he answer am. Then I go gree because inside me, I know for this industry, and in the part of the hottest guys for the Yoruba industry, where they act movie. It's as in
I bet, can I see his picture? Make I know that this guy hot. I really need to see his picture.
At the time I get
get
crush on
Yoruba
am.
beauty.
Please, can I see his picture, producer,
no,
please?
be
You
Yoruba.
need to
This
put
is
out
the
a
guy
picture.
trying to Pop and cream. The guy they cream.
Yoruba beauty.
So this is hot.
Now Yoruba
No,
fineness.
this one not be the picture. The guy hot. I bet
The
sure
guy
it's the one
dey
where we are
okay,
white. The guy hot. If
guy
you know
dey
Fash,
okay.
he hot.
No,
And
be-
they try, they do well. You don't even age now, so
You
we
need
don't
to
reach
watch am when
40
he dey
something.
act.
I be 50, early 50s.
I don't tell
Maybe
you
I
say
don't
na
understand what
Yoruba
it hot be.
No, na color
No,
and
serious.
fashion.
It's okay, but
Okay, this is what you're talking
Yes.
about. Photoshop. Okay.
Not be Photoshop. I don't see him real life. Like I don't see him real life.
I see him for Ibadan.
I don't
need
think
to get.
No, you know,
Never
the guy package well. Like what I talked before, say package well, and the guy get packaging. But you know, go tell. See, not be beauty self. Now they make men they cheat. You go see some way be like waiting and no go talk because I know if you create person, I know give a name. You understand? Some they very ugly, but they still they cheat on their wives. You go they ask what be the reason. You understand? But for him to say this one, me or for the industry way day, for him to say 10 years, I don't believe. I don't believe I'm except he go prove am to me, go do lie detector test. Talk say yes. And don't do finish, then yes. I go fit talk say yes, it clear. But for me, now 50-50.
But you know, say lie detector they malfunction at times.
Amaka, talk now. We need to go break
no be
quickly.
all.
Amaka,
but
do you need to
sometimes-
talk about the story?
I don't get ready to talk because you know concern whether I cheat or no cheat. Why you can't give me an announcement saying no cheat?
Thank you.
I
That's
ask
why.
am
Why you not join us clap? Why you
Why
not
go
join
dey
us
clap?
clap? Because we need to clap him. He deserves round of applause. He deserves.
I don't want
He
give. I
deserves
don't want
academy.
waste my clap for him.
He deserves award. Really, for me. First of all, who sent you? Who asked you?
Ataya.
Then
Really?
don't ask
Interview,
am
no,
before
I
you
can't
talk.
ask
Na
am.
interview, they ask am now.
It not even need to come outside talk. See,
At
like
all.
wetin you talk something. For you to marry, that one means say you are dedicating yourself to one particular person.
It is what you
It's just
should
like
do.
now, you go fix your hair. You want me to come praise you say you fix your hair?
Yes, I feel decide I want ugly condition. You know, like am.
Nobody's
decision.
business, and your decision. So yeah, you marry. Okay, now make we clap for you. Make we stand up, Abi. Because they will not be stand up for you, clap for you.
I
just tire o.
Go one side, Jerry.
Haters gonna hate.
But you know
Hey.
It's good to blow your trumpet for this industry where divorce they flow left and
course,
right.
yes.
When
No,
you
this is
know
not.
wetin
This
he
is different
do.
from the
Sorry, you know say you no need to blow your trumpet. We go see him.
No,
This is
but
different
if the
from
girl,
need to
if he
blow
say he
your
don't cheat
trumpet.
before and the girl they bold enough, come outside talk and talk say he don't do.
He has come outside to say that nobody go believe again. So who will
No,
believe?
make the girl come
No,
outside. Now,
nobody
come
go believe
defend
it.
her.
Anybody where feel say in the lie and she get proof, maybe now she be the
Like
cheat.
what
Make she
happened with
come
Monica
outside talk
Lewinsky?
am.
Explain how Fash be.
For me, wetin I feel to say, any man wey don ready to get married, you need to know say as you don marry, you're dedicating yourself to this woman.
Sure. Word.
Na only men wey never ready, now they go outside go dey see another man. Betyana don dey talk am all the time. She dey talk and say some people never ready for marriage.
I dey talk am
They go just
mentally
marry,
sef,
then
yeah.
they go outside. That na why if it actually come, the world don't change. That na why if it actually come outside, they deserve round of applause. They deserve sounding ovation because 10 years you have stayed and you not cheat on your wife.
All right, thank you.
Anyway, we dey
Congratulations,
come back
Fash.
after this break, I beg.
We need the break. So